The Messerschmitt Me 262 was the world's first operational jet fighter, entering service in 1944 in the Luftwaffe. Designed by engineer Willy Messerschmitt, it is considered the most technologically advanced combat aircraft of World War II. A forerunner of jet fighters, its exceptional speed and maneuverability far exceeded that of traditional piston-powered aircraft. It operated as a light bomber, reconnaissance plane and experimental night fighter. The design and development of the Messerschmitt Me 262 was inspired by the world's first jet-powered prototype, the Heinkel He 178, the latter designed by Ernst Heinkel and powered by the jet engine developed by Hans von Ohain. The design of the Me 262 was initially hampered and slowed down due to the Nazis' initial preference for conventional aircraft. It took 4 years to realize. Equipped with the Junkers Jumo 004 jet engine, it achieved astonishing speeds, exceeding 800 km per hour, giving it a significant advantage over propeller-driven fighters of the time. During tests, it also proved faster than the British Gloster Meteor jet fighter. The Me 262's jet engine offered operational advantages such as rapid rise in altitude to intercept enemy bombers and a greater chance of survivability against opposing fighters. Jet aircraft, compared to propeller-driven aircraft, could achieve much higher speeds and altitudes, avoiding the negative effects of the low atmosphere on flight. It was armed with Mk 108 30mm cannons and Mg 151 20mm machine guns, giving it a powerful weapons system. Due to the shortage of precious metals, the engines were designed with scandent materials, which wore out easily, necessitating continuous maintenance every 30 hours. Also causing problems with engine efficiency. It was mainly used as an interceptor and fighter-bomber fighter. Its speed enabled it to quickly attack enemy bombers, but it had to be careful of low-speed maneuvers where opposing piston engine fighters had the upper hand. The Me 262 demonstrated excellent air combat ability, with German pilots claiming to have shot down 542 Allied planes. However, as a bomber, it was ineffective because the bomb load compromised the aircraft's aerodynamic efficiency and performance. Its jet technology influenced the development of future military and civilian aircraft, paving the way for the jet fighter era. Many captured Me 262s were studied and flight tested by the major powers and influenced the production of many aircraft such as the North American F-86 Sabre, the MiG-15 and Boeing B-47 Stratojet, Sukhoi Su-9 and the Nakajima Kicker. The Messerschmitt Me 262 jet engine revolutionized military aviation and marked a milestone in aviation history. About 1,400 aircraft were produced. However, less than 100 Me 262s were in combat condition at any given time. Although it had some design flaws and operational limitations, the Me 262 remains an icon of aeronautical engineering of its time.